Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ghost effect in VideoStar. First, open your project and import the video clip you want to use. You'll need a clip where your subject moves across the frame. This initial step is crucial for setting up the illusion. Make sure your background is relatively stable for a seamless effect. We'll be duplicating this clip to create the ghost layer, so a clean original is key. Once your main clip is imported, duplicate it. You should now have two identical layers of your video. Place the duplicated clip directly above the original on your timeline. This layering is fundamental to the ghost effect. We will be manipulating the top layer to create the transparent ghost, while the bottom layer serves as your stable background. Precision in alignment is important here. Now, select the top duplicated clip. Navigate to the Effects menu and choose an effect like Ghost or a similar fade-out option. Experiment with different effects to find the one that best suits your vision. After applying the effect, go to the blending options. Change the blending mode to Screen or Lighten to make the top layer transparent and blend with the bottom. Adjust the intensity to your liking. To perfect your ghost effect, fine-tune the opacity and timing of the top layer. You can animate the opacity to make the ghost appear and disappear gradually. Experiment with different speeds and fade durations for a truly eerie look. Adding spooky sound effects or atmospheric music will significantly enhance the overall impact of your video. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once satisfied, export your video in high quality to share your ghostly creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.